in this tutorials you are going to learn how to add custom font family on your Shopify online store. This tutorials will be helpful if you are using Smart Mega Menu and Navigation app by Qikify, and I absolutely support and recommendation for this app to use on your online store if you like to create a smart mega menu. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log in your Shopify dashboard, then click on the online store, then click on the store preview button in the icon. Now click on the right button of your mouse, select inspect element and click on right here and select the navigation ULI A, then select lie UL, then again click on the right button of your mouse, then copy selector. So we have copied the selector. Now we need to go to the dashboard again and click on the app button and find the smart menu by Qikify, then click on this app. Then we have to select on the step 2 add and design, then select CSS selector advanced option from here. Then we have to paste the code that we copied from here. So I'm just going to right click on my mouse and paste this one. Also same as at here, paste. Now I need to enable this app and click on the save button. I am going to click on the online store button, then select edit code from action, then find SCSS or CSS from the SS folder or theme.scss.liquid, then click on this file, go to the button, paste this code here again. Okay, now we need to add opacity 0, click on the save. So after add this code, we are visit our website again. As previous, click on the right button of the mouse and select inspect. Now select this icon and click on the menu ULI A, select A, then we add custom font family here. For example, I wanted to add this font, then next this font. So I am going to click on the here font family din font. Okay, So now going to select all the code from here, click on the right button of the mouse, then copy and paste it on my theme.scss file, and remove all others code, just keep this code font family syntax and click on the save. Save. Now we are checking our website or refresh our website. Yeah, that has been worked. So I hope you understand how you can add this code in your website and how to add custom font in your online Shopify store.